Hey everybody, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a Boohoo and Prettylittlething return. Since it was my first time ordering from them, it is my first time doing a return, and I did see that some people were asking questions how to do it. So here are the instructions given by Boohoo online. They give you 60 days to do returns, which is pretty good. You have to print out the return label yourself, so a printer is handy if you want to do online shopping. You can return the items back in the original packaging or waterproof packaging. I will be buying new packaging because the original ones are tore the F up. One thing to point out is the return costs $4 per order. Alright, so now I'm just going to be selecting which items I'm going to return and the reason for the return as well. They will then email you the return label that needs to be printed. Prettylittlething, they want us to include the original paper we received when we did the order. So I'm going to make sure to copy it and have a copy for myself. So the USPS store that I went to didn't have any waterproof packaging, so I ended up having to go to the UPS store to buy some. These are the waterproof packages that I got from the UPS store. So this is how it looks after I taped one of the packages up for Boohoo. I triple taped each side just to make sure it is secure. Guys, so I finished my second packaging. One thing that they make sure to say is that they state do not tape over the barcode. So I tried my best not to do that, but if you could look at the edge here, the tape is like right at the end of it. So hopefully that doesn't do anything. Plus there's like several barcodes on here. But yeah, this is the final result. Little thing, it's a little different. You actually have to fill out a form and put in the reason code, which I'm guessing is the reason for your return. So this is the final result of the package that contains my Prettylittlething's returns. I also made sure to triple tape it. That concludes the end of this video. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope this was able to help anyone who had any questions about how to do a return for Boohoo or Pretty Little Thing. Make sure to subscribe, and if you guys have any comments, any questions, please leave them down below, and make sure to tune in because there will be more videos coming soon.